The evolution from Alexa Guard to Alexa Emergency Assist? What you need to know. Amazon has discontinued Alexa Guard, a free Echo device feature detecting breaking glass or smoke alarms to alert your phone. These functions are now part of Alexa Emergency Assist, a paid service with further benefits. Here's what changed and remains free. Once, Alexa Guard kept silent watch, listening for breaking glass or the wail of alarms. Homeowners could whisper, "Alexa, I'm leaving," and trust it to stand guard for free. But by 2023, that quiet sentinel evolved into something new: Alexa Emergency Assist, a paid protector. Now, Alexa's ears remain sharp, but its role is deeper. A cry for help summons trained agents who dispatch aid when needed. Smart alerts ping your phone, contacts receive notifications, and even your medical details stand ready. An entire digital support team hidden inside an Echo. Safety now carries a price tag: $7.99 a month or $79 a year. Prime users pay slightly less, gaining access to upgraded detection and human response. Every Echo device, from Dot to Studio, becomes a possible lifeline, transforming the living room into a watchful hub. Setup unfolds quietly through the Alexa app. A few taps to subscribe, add addresses, list medical notes, and select trusted contacts. A test phrase, "Alexa, test emergency helpline," activates a reassuring chime. In moments, a home turns from an ordinary space into connected security. In tests, Alexa listens better than before, but still stumbles through noise and distance. When alerts trigger, though, response agents answer in seconds, calm and composed. It's not the same as a full alarm system, more like a vigilant neighbor, always awake, waiting for a signal. For those seeking affordable backup, Alexa Emergency Assist fits naturally into daily life, ideal for solo dwellers or families wanting reassurance. Yet for homes already secured by professional alarms, it's merely a sidekick. Still, as voice and vigilance merge, Alexa quietly redefines digital safety.
Go to GearBrain for more information.